we would like to do drawing of minions together. So, and then we have watercolor to paint and crayon. Okay, so I would first start with the cute eyes of our minions. So one circle, round, and then fill inside. Yeah. And then again a little closer, another tiny circle, and then fill inside. Okay. So we make it a little bit bigger circle. And another bigger circle, and this. That's like a glass for him. And then from here, I try to draw another big circle around. I'm not coming inside. I just leave it alone and continue with the other side to cover the other eye, which is this one. That's like the glass. Two line and curve, parallel, two line and curve. Okay, this is the glass. And then the mouth, just a line. And now I'm doing head. So this line, so flat and circle the side of his face, and a big curve around this part, which is good for our minions. Okay. I would make the minion a little bit smiley. So open the mouth with nice curve. Show the teeth. Like this. And then color inside with the black. Yep, that's it. And then the blue ribbon, these two strips, and then this part of the dress. So the hand, I don't have space for the hand, so I just showing this much. I can do like this to finish the hand, and then show the dress like that, and show the little bit design here. So that's it. Our minions finished and ready for coloring. Okay, ready to do painting? Yeah. So I choose the brush. And I have watercolor. Now I would choose yellow. So I add a drop of water in my watercolor, a little bit, turn it around to have the color, and then add the color to cover all the body, all the face. That's the yellow color. Face. The other part, which is yellow, is hands, two hands. So again, drop of water to the paint, make it wet. The watercolor needs some water, and then use the brush to cover both left and right hands. So for the glass, because the face is still wet, I choose this for the glass. So I start to make it a little bit dark colorful. It's a purple one. I do have a purple and a black. And it's a small part, so now it's ready for his dress. So I move on with the blue. I choose this one, added water, and try to apply with the blue color here. Hope you like it and follow me for the next beautiful painting together. Bye!